Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue the exercise 3.5, question number 3. Solve by cross multiplication method. Actually, in textbook, they have asked us to solve by substitution method. As you know, substitution method is not for the examination for this year. So, we have to leave behind that one. Then, we have to solve by cross multiplication method. See, I have written the equations. 8x plus 5y equals to 9, 3x plus 2y equals to 4. Then that has been standardized. That is 8x plus 3y equals to 9. That implies 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. Then 3x plus 2y equals to 4. That implies 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Then here I have written the coefficients of the variables x and y as well as the constant terms. So a1 equals to 8, a2 equals to 3, b1 equals to 5, b2 equals to 2, c1 equals to minus 9, c2 equals to minus 4. Now let us apply the formula. That is, now x by what? b2c1 minus b1c2. b2c1 minus b2. What that b2 is? 5. That is 2. b1, b2 without apply. That is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 y divided by, that is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 1 divided by, that is a1, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then substituting the values, x divided by b1 is 5 into c2 is minus 4 minus, that is b2 2 into c1, that is minus 9. Okay, y divided by c1 minus 9 into a2 is 3 minus, that is c2 minus 4 into a1, that is 8 equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 8 into 2 minus a2 b1 3 into 5. Okay, x divided by minus 20 plus 18, then y divided by minus 27 plus 32 equals to 1 divided by 16 minus 15. Okay, then x divided by minus 20 plus 18, that is minus 2 equals to, then y divided by minus 27 plus 32, that is simplified. That is 1 to 16 minus 15, that is 1. Now x divided by minus 2 equals to 1. Therefore x equal to minus 2. Or and y divided by 5 equals to 1. Therefore y equals to 5. That is x equals to minus 2, y equals to 5. Write down. See, the question number 4 contains 5 verbal problems. See, the problems are lengthy one. Please, you write yourselves in the fair the question so that I can solve. I can save my time to solve some more problems. Okay? See, a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Okay? What they asked? They asked us the fixed charge and the charge per day. Now let us consider. Let X be the fixed charge. Fixed charge for the food and Y be the charge per day. According to A, the equation is say the mess when a student A takes food for 20 days, fixed charge is X, then 20 days 20 into Y equals he has to pay 1000 rupees. Okay, this one is equation 1. According to B, food 26 days. He has to pay 1180. Solving 1 and 2. By subtracting plus x minus x cancels, minus 6y equals to minus 180. So 6y equals to 180, y equals to 180 by 6. That is y equals to 30. Y equals to 30. Put y equals to 30 in equation 1. That is x plus 20y 1000. X plus 20 into 30. So x plus 2 3 is 600 equals to 1000. X equals to 1000 minus 600. That is x equals to 400. See, x is the fixed charge. Therefore, fixed charge equals 2 rupees 400. Charge per day. Charge per day. Why? That is how much we got? Why 30 rupees. See, this one a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. Okay, find the fraction. Let us consider as a fraction as Let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. The statement 1. First statement. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when subtracted from the when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. This one x by y is the fraction. 1 is subtracted from the numerator. 1 is subtracted from the numerator and that is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Cross multiplication. 3 in the bracket x minus 1 equals to y into 1. 3x minus 3 equals to y. So 3x minus y equals to 3, equation 1. Then statement 2. It becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. X divided by y. 8 is added to the denominator. It becomes how much? 1 by 4. Okay, cross multiply. 4x equals to 1 multiplied by 5. Y plus 8 means y plus 8. So 4x minus y equals to 8. This one is the second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Three x minus 3. 3x minus y equals to 3. Then second one. 4x minus y equals to 8. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. Minus x equals to minus 1. Therefore x equals to 5. Put x equals to 5 in 1. 3x minus y equals to 3. 3 into 5 equals to minus y equals to 3. 15 minus y equals to 3. Minus y equals to 3 minus 15. Therefore minus y equals to minus 12. Therefore y equals to 2. So the fraction by 12. Okay, write down neatly. Question number 3. The fourth main है. Say the questions reads like this. S scored 40 marks in a test. Mr. S has scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. See, now let us consider that x be the number of right answer, y be the number of correct incorrect or wrong number of wrong answers. Let y be the number of right answers and x be the number of right answers and y be the number of wrong answers. Now, according to the statement 1, see, statement 1 is yes scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer. 3 marks for each right answer. Right answer is x. 3 marks, 3 into x, 3x. And losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Minus 1 wrong answer is y, 1y, equals to, that is how much he has scored, 40. So 3x minus y equals to 40. Equation 1. 3x minus y. In the statement 2, four marks correct answers, that is 4x. Awarded for each correct answer 2 marks for 2 marks being deducted for each correct answer, incorrect answer. Deducted, that is 2. The marks would be 50. So let us take common as 2. 2x minus 1. 2x minus y equals to 50 by 2. 2 ones are 250. 2x minus y equals to 35. Equation 2. Okay? Then solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 3x minus y equals to 40. 3x minus y equals to 40. Then 2x minus y equals to 25. Minus plus minus gets cancelled. Then 3 minus 2x, x equals to, that is 15. Now put x equals to in 1. 3x minus y equals to 40. 3 into x means 15 minus y equals to 40. 45 minus y equals to 40. Minus y equals to 40 minus 40. That is minus y equals to minus 5. That is y equals to 5. See, x, what we have considered, x be the number of right answers. He has written 15 right answers. Then 5 wrong answers. 5 wrong answers. So x is equal to 15 and y equals to 5. have scored 50 marks. How many questions are there in the test? That is 15 minus 5 plus 5, that is 20 questions are there. Write down first. Once again I want to repeat this one. Yes scored 40 marks. Okay, statement 1, 40 marks. How much correct answers you will write? He will write 3 correct answers and loses one question. That is, he writes one question wrong. 3x minus 1y equals to 40. 1y is nothing but minus 1. 3x minus y 40. In second case, if we write the 4 questions more and that will be a deduction of 2 questions. That means 2 wrong answers. That is minus 4x minus 2y equals to 50. That has been simplified. Then 2x minus y equals to 25. Solving 1 and 2, directly we will get the x equal to 15 because plus y minus y gets cancelled. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. 40 minus 25 equals to 15. Okay. Put x is equal to 15 in 1. 3x minus y equals to 40. Then 45 minus y equals to 40 minus y equals to 40 minus 45, that is minus y equals to minus 5. So y equals to 5. What they have asked? They have asked us total number of questions. See, total number of questions. Total number of questions. Right answers question 15. Wrong answer questions 5. This is right answer question and this one is wrong answer question. So 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Totally there are 20 questions in the test where the yes has attended. Okay. Now one information I want to give you, that most of the students still now they are not ready to submit their assignment as well as the June monthly test papers and one bridge course test paper. See, already tomorrow or day after tomorrow this chapter will finish. I have completed 2 main chapters. Those chapters are carrying more than 24 marks. In arithmetic, that is AP is the very important chapter. In algebra, the pair of linear equations is one of the important chapter. But some students are not responding for any information from the school. So you have to face many problems related to your study. So kindly submit whatever we want. See, here you have to submit the bridge course test papers, you have to submit June month test paper, you have to submit. Then already July month test also has been taken. God knows what you have done for that one. However, you have to submit. You already know on 23 of August the schools will reopen. Okay, thank you.